final message for all of us, our Miss Universe Philippines 2025, Maria Tisa Manalo.
Thank you ulit ako. I really can't, I don't think it's enough how much I've already thanked the people around me. I wouldn't be here in this position without everyone who supported me from the very beginning, from my very first pageant, from when I still live in Quezon Province. I have, you know, the reason I'm here, the reason I got to this point is because of everyone around me who helped make sure that I get here. Pageantry has been my vehicle, my vessel in life for, you know, to achieve dreams that I want for myself and for my family. And I just hope that this journey of mine would be something that people can look into and inspire them to also go for their dreams. And yeah, thank you to my team, Miss Universe Philippines, or my family, my friends, the media, my Ate Stahins, everyone who has helped me get to this point. And we're not yet done. This is just the send-off. This is just the beginning of our competition. Meron pa tayong ipaglalaban na 5th round. So I really hope that you still support me all throughout my Miss Universe journey when I get to Thailand. And ilalaban ko kayong lahat. I will do my best. I'll make sure that the Atisa on the Miss Universe stage is the best Atisa ever. Thank you.
Saglit lang.
Saglit lang po. Music. Copyright! Copyright!
Atisa Manalo, Philippines!
More.
Atisa Manalo, Philippines!
There we have it. Once again, a huge round of applause for Miss Universe Philippines 22.